Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to unmute notes on Instagram. If you have muted someone's notes and want to start seeing them again, don't worry, it's super easy to fix. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on a mobile device. Here, go ahead and tap on the messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then go to a profile you want to unmute. Here, you'll see two options of following and message. Tap on the following option. And here, you'll see options. And here, you'll see an option called mute. Go ahead and tap on it. And here, if you want to mute person's notes, go ahead and turn the notes to on. And if you want to unmute someone's notes that you have muted, go ahead and turn this off. So now you guys know how to mute and unmute notes on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.